I'm going to show you an example of how to solve a stoichiometry problem where you're given grams and you need to find out how many grams. So that would be a mass-to-mass problem. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at your equation and make sure it's balanced. We see that it is. Next, you're going to write the problem as a math problem. So how many grams? X grams aluminum sulfate, Al2SO43, would be formed if 250 grams of H2SO4 reacts completely with aluminum. All right, so there's our math problem. We see that we have grams a gram. So we're going to set up our map and we're going to go the whole distance. So mass known, mole known, mole unknown, mass unknown. So I'm going to set up that grid, the whole thing here, and I'm just going to follow the map and plug my numbers in. So the mass of my known is 250 grams of H2SO4. Moles of known would be moles of H2SO4. Moles of unknown is moles of Al2SO43, and mass of unknown would be grams of Al2SO43. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cross these units down to the bottom. So this is going to be grams of H2SO4. This is going to be moles of H2SO4. And this is going to be moles of Al2SO43. Okay, now I'm going to go through, look at my ratios, and plug in my numbers. That was the bell. So this is a mole to gram ratio. So moles is always going to be 1. To get the grams of H2SO4, I have to add up 2 hydrogens, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygens by looking up the mass on the periodic table, and that comes out to 98.09 grams. The next one is a mole to mole ratio. I'm going to look at the balanced equation. H2SO4 is 3, and Al2SO4 is 1. So, and then the last one is again a gram to mole ratio. So the mole is always 1. The grams, I have to add up 2 aluminums and distribute 3 sulfurs, and 4 times 3 is 12 oxygen. So that all adds up to 342.17 grams. And so I have to multiply across the top, get a number, multiply across the bottom, get a number, divide that, and my final answer should be, I'm going to write it up on top, 290.69 grams of Al2SO43. Ta-da!